Hey everybody, I'm so excited because we are here today at Ballet Palm Beach, and this totally encompasses everything I'm talking about. I mean, the breath, the energy, the this, the that, I mean everything. This is gonna be so freaking cool. So come on with me, here we go.
Starting first facing the bar, demi-plie, attendu 1, close 2. Start with attendu, 3 to the second 4. Heel up and down, working all underneath and close. Demi-plie with one foot on the demi-point, grand plie, down a nice slow grand plie 6, 7, and 8. Other side, 1 and 2, tendu and down, underneath, keeping all this under and down and point. Close, and a 1, and 2, and down. Keeping the back nice and lifted, 6, 7, 8. In second position, grand plie 2, 3, 4. Reverse the arms, 6, 7, 8. Cambrai over to the bar, into the center, into fifth. 2 grand plies, full cambrai forward and back. Back to first and take your balance. All right? Start with attendu. Nice easy shoulders and down. 1 close, 2. Out to second. Heel up. Up. Demi with the foot off the floor and up. Now slow grand plie. Lift. Heels. Other side. And 1, 2, 3, even weight, 4, lift, demi, 1, heel, 2, now plie, keep the back nice and lifted, open the legs, very nice, second position, grand plie, and 1, reverse the arm, over to the bar, into the center, fifth, grand plie, and discipline the head with the arm, reverse it, if I'll say head, please, and back. Back to first, demi-plie, and up. Take your balance. Nice, easy shoulders and neck, no tension up there. And finish down. Good, face the bar, start with the left foot. The foot, and 1. Make sure your weight's on your supporting leg, right over the ball of your foot. And 1, 2, and plie open, good. Just relax there, so just relax a little bit like normal. And 1. Let your ribs get involved in the cambrai, just nice, easy, chest. And 1. breathe up. Now breathe out to the bottom. Relax the head and up. Effacé back. Back to first. Demi-plie. Up. Nice easy shoulders. Just connect your lower stomach. Open second, little breath. And down. Very nice.
If this is your first time to the channel, we would love it if you subscribed. This channel is all about helping you dance better. This is both for you teachers and students. Again, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you next time.